Ashley and this is Harrison. We're part of a team of sculptors here at molTÄN and this is the molTÄN MELTER. Using our years of experience, we've designed this furnace to help you at home create unhindered.
Hi, today we're going to be using our on-site model to show you the features of the molTÄN MELTER. In your kit you'll get the furnace. It's got an internal diameter of 27 centimetres and a 38 centimetre height. This will comfortably fit in an A20 crucible and below. You'll also get a refractory base, a Venturi propane burner and a lid lifter that's comfortable for 1 or 2 people to use.
These are the crucible lifting tongs, crucible pouring shank, scraping tool and crucible we use at the foundry. They're not included in this kit because everybody's needs are a little different when it comes to tools, so make sure to purchase your own or even make them so they fit your needs. Our 50mm thick solid refractory lining ensures excellent heat retention, making it more efficient over multiple melts. This and our Venturi propane burner, adjustable air intake and propane regulator means you can achieve the optimal heat to keep you melting all day. The vent is a great size for preheating metal before you put it in, and often you can load metal into your crucible without having to take the lid off. Our melters can be used to melt a variety of metal. Bronze, copper, and today we're melting down some scrap aluminium. Here you can see how the lid lifter can be used with 1 or 2 people. To get used to pouring and melting with your setup, you can always melt down scrap and turn into ingots, as ingots are always useful for melting at a later date. Today, we're casting a set of game dice for our cameraman. If your cast doesn't go to plan, don't worry, you can always melt it back down and try again with a new mould. It's just 2 easy steps to turn off your molTÄN MELTER. Turn the ball lever valve to off and pull your burner away. You should always try to keep the lining of your furnace dry, so we recommend storing it indoors or having it well covered.
Thank you for joining us today. Head to our Instagram and Facebook to see what we get up to with our own molTÄN MELTER and more. You can also head to our website moltan.co.uk to get your own kit and start creating today.